Earth restoration is not only an environmental project, it is a labor project. In fact, it may be the largest employment engine humanity has ever built. Every hectare restored requires people. Planning, planting, maintenance, monitoring. These jobs cannot be automated away. They must be local. They must be continuous. This is not temporary work. It is generational infrastructure. At scale, restoration creates tens of millions of direct jobs. Nursery workers, field crews, soil specialists, logistics operators, data and monitoring teams. For every direct job, secondary jobs follow. Transport, food, housing, education, healthcare. Entire local economies stabilize around restoration zones. This matters because climate failure is also a labor failure. Unemployment fuels instability. Instability fuels conflict. Conflict destroys ecosystems. Restoration reverses that cycle. People protect what they depend on. When land provides income, it is not burned. When forests provide food, they are not cleared. When communities are paid to regenerate, regeneration persists. This is not charity. It is structured employment tied to measurable outcomes. Carbon removed, soil restored, water stabilized. Each worker contributes to a planetary asset. The scale is unprecedented, but so is the need. Earth restoration does not replace existing industries. It absorbs displaced labor from collapsing ones. As extraction declines, regeneration rises. This is how transitions succeed, not by eliminating jobs, but by replacing them with better ones.